Good morning, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're happy, healthy, safe, and warm. Today I'm working in my little tiny collage book, and I thought I would use this as my background, and then I'm going to put some of this on top. I thought that went well together. I need my gluing paper, and get this glued down. I'm going to use my Scotch glue stick and see how this works out. I don't really have a plan other than my background. I got some new supplies for my birthday. And I seem to be losing my voice. So let's do this. And I think I'm just going to put like a little snippet of this across the top. Kind of maybe like that. It's too bad it didn't go all the way over. And then across the bottom. So let's do that. Maybe I should do it this way. Yeah, I think I'll do it this way. And maybe like that. I think that's how I would like to do it. Isn't that funny? That fits perfectly. Weird, but I am going to ink around the edges. I feel like I should have inked around this edge. Oh well, what are you gonna do? And then I'll find a focal point of some kind. I just feel like I want to make this, I guess it's okay. I don't like that it doesn't come all the way to this part here, but oh well. I'm inking my edges, trying to stay in the camera frame. I'm notorious for not doing that. Alright, let's see. Let's get this up here. This is kind of wrinkled, so I'm hoping it sticks down flat. Are we on the page? Yeah. Okay, I think that's going to work out perfectly. And now this one. Oh boy. The way my shelf is, like I have a shelf in front of me, and that's where I have my camera hooked. And so I'm at the mercy of the height of whatever shelf I've got it on. And this shelf, I feel like is just a little bit too far away, or if I put it down, it's too close. Actually, this one is kind of close too. I think it was the upper one that was too far away. But anyways, now I'm going to figure out what my focal point's going to be. Right, so I found these two stickers, and I think I like this one for this project better than this one, even though I really like this one. I just don't think it goes with my little background of this letter, piece of a letter that was one of my ancestors, or a letter that my ancestor got, or I don't know, but anyway, it's written in German, I do believe. And I'm going to put this down as my background. I did trim all the white from around, you know, it was like this with the white border. I trimmed that off. And I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. And then I'll probably just find some words to put on here. We'll see. I feel like I'm already running out of this glue. That's how fast I just got it the other day. Oh my gosh, I hope not. Pull that down. Get that tight so it doesn't dry out. And now I need to get this backing off of this sticker. Yeah, this is the hard part when you cut that. Oh, there we go. Good job. Good job, me. Well, there we have it. Well, not quite yet. I still want to put some kind of word either down here or up here, or a little phrase. And I think it looks cute though. It's very simple and cute. And I'm trying to finish this book out. I only have about, what, now I might have any 8 or 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 more. So be on the lookout for more of these little mini collages if you like this sort of thing. It's actually, I think you can tell, it's an index card, kind of like a little index card notebook. So I'm going to look through this. I see I kind of like the one right at the top there. Always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. But I'm going to see if there's anything more appropriate, maybe with a globe. Let's find out. I found Travel the World Over to Find the Beautiful. So I'm actually going to, where's my little scissors? I'm going to cut this in half. And I was going to ink around them, but I think, well, maybe I will still try. It's hard to ink around stickers when they're sticky. There. I think that's good. Hopefully it'll still be sticky. Travel the world over to find the beautiful. I think that goes well. And I also saw the journey is the destination. So I think that goes well too. And I think I'll put that down on the bottom. Oops. And hopefully, like I said, you are, whoops, I can't get it straight. There, is that straight? Probably as straight as I'll get it. I am still on camera. And here's the journey is the destination, and I'm going to put that down on the bottom. And I think that we will be done. And when I'm finished with this, I will also do a complete flip through. I've flipped through up to a certain point before, but when I'm all done, we'll do a complete flip through of the whole. Oh, isn't that cute? I think that's super cute, and I hope you do too. Thanks so much for watching, and you can find copies of either, maybe not this letter, but letters like it, and I can put this one up as soon as I find it, in my coffee shop. So some are free and some aren't, so go check it out. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.